And here's a session with a visitor, and I can chat with you right now. Amazing. Hello, it's Ben. So the other person, and you're from Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. They're chatting with me. Guess what I can do? I can do this on my desktop, or I can do it on my phone. So I have Inspector Website Builder. They give me an app that allows me to chat with anybody who is visiting my website, either on my phone or on my, hi, it's Daryl. Hey, Daryl. Thanks. I don't mean to drag you. I can't type you into this. If you can't type on your phone, you can just talk and chat. What would you say when you have someone landing on your website and you can chat with them? Well, what's the number one goal? Remember, you have to have a goal. What's the number one goal when someone lands on your website designed by InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs, Inspector Website Builder? What's the one thing? What is your goal when you are chatting with the person visiting your website? Their phone number. You want them to chat with you back and forth. You want to tell them, hey, I'm on the roof right now. Can I call you in a bit? What's your number? Daryl, don't give me your number. Don't, because we're live here. Let me go back. Let me get out. Okay. That's your goal. You want that. You want Daryl's phone number. You want that phone number of that potential client who just happened to visit your website. Do you know anybody who does that? Right, this is why I like Inspector Website Builder. They give you the analytics, they give you SEO, free edits and updates. They don't charge you management. And you get to talk to everybody who lands on your website. You want to monitor the performance of your marketing efforts.